To add and activate play media with Galaxy Buds Live routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap compass like icon at the top right to see the list of the stock routine available. Tap get the best media experience and then select play media with Galaxy Buds Live. Tap Bluetooth device, tap device, and then select your Galaxy Buds Live. Tap done button and then tap save to add the selected routine to your routine list. Go back to the routine screen to see that the selected routine has been added. From now, each time your Galaxy Buds Live connected with your phone will automatically open the YouTube app. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.